Welcome to Claverius Useful Phrases series. Visit our website for more interactive practice, private or group class with our business English trainers. Enjoy listening.
Our medical packages offer comprehensive care tailored to your needs. Our medical packages offer comprehensive care tailored to your needs. This package includes routine checkups and annual screenings. This package includes routine checkups and annual screenings. We provide a range of diagnostic services within this package. We provide a range of diagnostic services within this package. You'll have access to specialist consultations as part of this plan. You'll have access to specialist consultations as part of this plan. This package covers both inpatient and outpatient services. This package covers both inpatient and outpatient services. The package includes all necessary lab tests. The package includes all necessary lab tests. We offer flexible payment options for this medical package. We offer flexible payment options for this medical package. This plan includes emergency care services. This plan includes emergency care services. You will receive personalized care coordination with this package. You will receive personalized care coordination with this package. Our package includes preventive care services. Our package includes preventive care services. The package has coverage for prescription medications. The package has coverage for prescription medications. Home health care is also included in this package. Home health care is also included in this package. We offer wellness and fitness programs as part of this package. We offer wellness and fitness programs as part of this package. This plan includes mental health support services. This plan includes mental health support services. You will have access to our 24/7 nurse helpline. You will have access to our 24/7 nurse helpline. This package includes maternity and newborn care. This package includes maternity and newborn care. Telehealth services are available with this plan. Telehealth services are available with this plan. Physical therapy sessions are included in this package. Physical therapy sessions are included in this package. Our package covers routine dental checkups. Our package covers routine dental checkups. Vision care services are part of this package. Vision care services are part of this package. You can avail dietary consultations with this plan. You can avail dietary consultations with this plan. This package includes chiropractic care. This package includes chiropractic care. You'll receive regular updates on your health status. You'll receive regular updates on your health status. We provide vaccination services within this package. We provide vaccination services within this package. The package includes rehabilitation services. The package includes rehabilitation services.
Visit Claverius.com for more interactive practice.
We offer chronic disease management under this plan. We offer chronic disease management under this plan. This package covers all necessary surgical procedures. This package covers all necessary surgical procedures. You will receive a personalized health assessment. You will receive a personalized health assessment. Our package includes cancer screening services. Our package includes cancer screening services. We offer travel health advice as part of this package. We offer travel health advice as part of this package. The package includes access to our health seminars. The package includes access to our health seminars. You will have regular health education sessions. You will have regular health education sessions. This plan includes specialist referrals when needed. This plan includes specialist referrals when needed. We provide lifestyle modification programs within this package. We provide lifestyle modification programs within this package. The package covers nutritional supplements. The package covers nutritional supplements. You can avail stress management sessions with this plan. You can avail stress management sessions with this plan. Our package includes genetic testing services. Our package includes genetic testing services. You'll receive personalized exercise plans. You'll receive personalized exercise plans. We offer home delivery of medications with this package. We offer home delivery of medications with this package. The package includes access to our pharmacy services. The package includes access to our pharmacy services. You will have support for smoking cessation. You will have support for smoking cessation. This package includes weight management programs. This package includes weight management programs. We provide support for managing allergies. We provide support for managing allergies. The package covers immunotherapy if needed. The package covers immunotherapy if needed. You will receive regular follow-up appointments. You will receive regular follow-up appointments. Our package includes wound care services. Our package includes wound care services. We offer sleep disorder management within this plan. We offer sleep disorder management within this plan. This package includes pain management services. This package includes pain management services. You will have access to our patient portal. You will have access to our patient portal. Our package includes diabetic care services. Our package includes diabetic care services.
Visit Claverius.com for more interactive practice.
We offer cardiac care as part of this package. We offer cardiac care as part of this package. The package includes respiratory care. The package includes respiratory care. You will receive a personalized care plan. You will receive a personalized care plan. We provide support for managing arthritis. We provide support for managing arthritis. This package includes orthopedic care. This package includes orthopedic care. You'll have access to our dermatology services. You'll have access to our dermatology services. The package covers gastrointestinal care. The package covers gastrointestinal care. We offer audiology services within this plan. We offer audiology services within this plan. You will receive support for managing hypertension. You will receive support for managing hypertension. Our package includes nephrology services. Our package includes nephrology services. We provide endocrinology care as part of this package. We provide endocrinology care as part of this package. The package includes hematology services. The package includes hematology services. You'll have access to our infectious disease specialists. You'll have access to our infectious disease specialists. This plan includes palliative care services. This plan includes palliative care services. We offer geriatric care within this package. We offer geriatric care within this package. The package covers urology services. The package covers urology services. You will receive personalized cancer treatment plans. You will receive personalized cancer treatment plans. Our package includes immunization for children and adults. Our package includes immunization for children and adults. We provide comprehensive women's health services. We provide comprehensive women's health services. This package includes men's health services. This package includes men's health services. You'll have access to our sports medicine services. You'll have access to our sports medicine services. The package includes fertility treatments. The package includes fertility treatments. We offer genetic counseling within this plan. We offer genetic counseling within this plan. You will receive support for managing migraines. You will receive support for managing migraines. Our package covers neurological care. Our package covers neurological care.
Visit Claverius.com for more interactive practice.
The package includes endocrinology services. The package includes endocrinology services. You'll have access to our rheumatology services. You'll have access to our rheumatology services. This package includes comprehensive cardiovascular care. This package includes comprehensive cardiovascular care. We provide support for managing metabolic disorders. We provide support for managing metabolic disorders. The plan includes pediatric care services. The plan includes pediatric care services. You will receive regular wellness checks. You will receive regular wellness checks. Our package includes substance abuse counseling. Our package includes substance abuse counseling. We offer comprehensive HIV care within this package. We offer comprehensive HIV care within this package. The package covers immunizations for travel. The package covers immunizations for travel. You'll have access to palliative care services. You'll have access to palliative care services. This package includes in-home health assessments. This package includes in-home health assessments. We provide genetic risk assessments as part of this plan. We provide genetic risk assessments as part of this plan. The package includes annual physical exams. The package includes annual physical exams. You will have access to our health education resources. You will have access to our health education resources. Our package includes health coaching. Our package includes health coaching. We offer comprehensive asthma management within this plan. We offer comprehensive asthma management within this plan. The package covers therapeutic massage services. The package covers therapeutic massage services. You'll have access to our infection control services. You'll have access to our infection control services. This package includes care for autoimmune diseases. This package includes care for autoimmune diseases. We provide support for managing gastrointestinal disorders. We provide support for managing gastrointestinal disorders. The plan includes comprehensive allergy testing. The plan includes comprehensive allergy testing. You will receive regular health progress reports. You will receive regular health progress reports. Our package includes support for managing COPD. Our package includes support for managing COPD. We offer comprehensive metabolic syndrome management. We offer comprehensive metabolic syndrome management. The package covers all necessary follow-up appointments. The package covers all necessary follow-up appointments.
Thank you for listening Claverius Business English Series. Visit our website for more interactive practice, private or group live session with our business English trainers.